Seen love done turn to hate. A lot of people change up in dates. Act real but show fake. That fuck shit I cannot relate. Pick me up at the drop off. Burn a nigga wings like some hot sauce. You are not the man, you are not boss. Your team is lame cause they got lost. You'll never hear a nigga talk like this. You'll never see a nigga walk like this. You'll never hear a nigga evolve like this. Bottle top, the voice cold like Chris. Pronunciation, can you hear my list? I watch this ice, I can't feel my wrist. Y'all niggas won't feel like this. Y'all niggas won't take that risk. Hey, built off a different type of brand. Bitch, I'm a different type of man. I don't think you understand. I come from a different land. The rubber bands became Benjamin Franklin's best friend. Y'all niggas weren't ready for this. I came up and y'all already pissed. Hating on a nigga while you tryna diss. The little bitch tryna throw a kiss. I'ma throw it in the air, nigga, so you could probably see the miss. Jumping way out of bounds, nigga, you gonna lose your assist. I don't even wanna pass the ball. Y'all niggas be the last to call. Ain't heard from you since past this fall. That's the reason that I laugh at y'all. Y'all niggas can't get past this wall. I actually do not trust none of y'all. It get lonely when you wanna ball. Standing at the top when I'm feeling this tall. Hey, I was actually about to throw a hook, but never mind, now you gotta look. The nigga got pushed, now you shook. I'm teaching this game in an open book. I'm treating this shit just like a drug. Now I actually got you hooked.